Selling on Bricklink is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. If you don't already have one, sign up for a Bricklink account on their website, which is bricklink.com. After logging in, navigate to the My Store section of your account dashboard. Follow the prompts to set up your store, including choosing a store name, specifying your shipping and payment policies, and providing other relevant information. Once your store is set up, you can start adding items to your inventory. Click on Add Item or a similar option in your store dashboard to list items for sale. Enter details about the Lego sets, parts, or minifigures you're selling, including their condition, quantity available, price, and other relevant information. Keep your inventory up to date by managing your listings regularly. You can adjust prices, update quantities, and mark items as sold as needed. Establish clear terms and policies for your store, including shipping costs, payment methods accepted, return policies, and any other relevant information. Communicate these terms clearly to your buyers. Be responsive to buyer inquiries and provide excellent customer service. Promptly answer questions, address any concerns or issues, and communicate openly with your buyers throughout the transaction process. When a buyer purchases from your store, you will receive an order notification. Process orders promptly by packing the items securely and shipping them to the buyer within the specified time frame. Keep buyers informed about the status of their orders, including when the items have been shipped and any tracking information available. Respond promptly to any messages or inquiries from buyers. Once the buyer receives the items and the transaction is complete, you will receive payment for the sale. Bricklink offers various payment options for sellers. Continuously monitor and manage your store to ensure a positive selling experience for your customers. Update your inventory, adjust prices as needed, and address any issues that arise promptly. Provide excellent service and maintain a positive reputation within the Bricklink community. Positive feedback from satisfied customers can help attract more buyers to your store.